When do I use the DS-71 form as secondary ID? In certain situations, if you don't have a primary ID photo ID available, the DS-71 form can be used as secondary identification option. This form is completed by an identifying witness who can confirm your identity. It's then submitted along with additional supported documents. It's not needed in every case, but it's a helpful solution when you don't have a government-issued ID. If this applies to you, we can walk you through exactly how to complete it properly.